Next is ikaw. Now, you got to work on yourself. Yung mindset is the big factor for us to become successful. Unless you change the way you think, there will be limited results on how you can earn. It's all about you. Letting go of the employee mentality, think like an entrepreneur, the obsession, the hard work, and the confidence. Yan po yung kailangan i-focus natin, especially on the hard work. Alam niyo po itong work na to, kung hindi po tayo magiging oriented on that, we are just sabotaging the opportunity that we have here in Live Good. Okay. Business and career. So, business and career growth. Dito sa level 1, level 2, level 3, tingnan niyo po, no? Pag ang income po natin is nandito pa up to 100,000, listen ha, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin dito yung hard work covers on the learning of fundamental skills. Pero kung ang income po natin level 4, 100K to 1 million, meron na po diyang nangyayaring duplication and promotion. Pero pag nag 1 million and above na po tayo, leadership on yourself, identifying leaders, and leader development. So, ibig sabihin, ito po yung career growth natin. Hello? So, na-identify na natin ngayon asang level ka na ng business mo. Kung ang income natin is nandito sa level 3, 25K to 100,000, kailangan pa natin to, no? Yung hard work talaga, covers on learning and mastering the fundamental skills. Pero kung nag-over 100,000 na tayo, papuntang 1 million, nakikita na natin na nagkakaroon na talaga ng duplication. Level 5, ibang level na po ito, no? Ito yung nagwa 1 million and above. So we must know how to develop the leaderships, no? Identifying leaders in our organizations na po yan. So ganyan po, no? Diyan natin ma-identify yung level of success na po natin at ang ating career growth.